1, 2. Super Nigga Nation. No need to cry now. Go wipe your tears, be a woman while you acting surprised. You saw the bullshit coming, fake hair, fake nails, fake eyes too. So why you bound to fuck with fake guys too? Ain't nothing hard about it. Why you looking sad? Should've thought about it. Say you learn, not truly doubt it. I guess you got a problem with affection, kinda loose with the love. Getting freaky with the thug niggas up in the club. Asked to buy you a drink, you holla Dom Perignon. Knowing I'm a cash getter, still I remain calm. Let you chill with me. Plus you was smiling to the bill, miss me. That's what you get for trying to dick me. Miss me with that bomb me this, bomb me that syndrome shit. Bitch, get a job if you wanna be rich. Get mad cause I cursed and I scream I hate you. Introduce you to a nigga nature, feel me?
Tell him that it's my thug nature. Why would I do it that way?
Probably too nice at first. I let you kiss me where it hurts. Me and you getting busy slinging dick in the dirt. Met you at a pool party, it was cool to kick it. See it's tongue kissing, you was truly with it. Little ecstasy, Hennessy mixed with me. Picture me, pay for pussy when the dick's for free. Hey now, where my niggas at? Tell these hoes before I pay. I jerk off, word to Moses. Visions of you sitting there sweaty and wet. Pointing to the places that you want me to hit. Give me room all up in the womb, call the cops. Nigga, hitting walls till them bastards drop. Label me Machiavelli thug, nigga with pipe. Living life like a rock star's Friday night. Make money, get pussy, always keep a page. A cell phone in the ride to complete my nature now.
Tell him that it's my thug
That's a nigga
nature.
nation.
Would I do it that way?
Started as a seed from the semen. Straight out of Papa's nuts, lustin' for creaming. Bitches with big butts, curves, make a nigga cry. Tits and shit. When I'm locked down, begging you for porno flicks. Sneak weed and help a nigga pass the time. Put my name tattooed so that ass is mine. Tell everybody pop, put it down for good. A local legend through the whole hood. Follow me, I got a gun on me. Going for none on the run, baby. You know a nigga needs some. It's my son, crazy why I cry. When I be ducking till I die. Picture a nigga in heaven, high off weed I fly. Got me missing dead homies with the phonies and die. Hit the weed and hope it get me high. Dear God, understand my ways, living major. Blessed with a thug's heart and a real live nigga nature.
Tell him that it's my thug
That's nigga nature.
Would I do it that way?
This be a nigga nation.